How do you relate with people that are full of errors and mistakes in your office? How do you relate with people that are full of sins and sinful desires in your house, in your office, or even in your church? Many would say, bring the stone, let us stone them to death. Others would say, ostracize them. Don't allow them to come closer, for we are holier than them. Jesus Christ, having caught the woman in the act, said to her, neither do I condemn you. Go and sin no more. See how his compassion, his mercy, his love spoke for the woman. How many people in your office that are being sacked because of what you have said? How many people in your place of work that are no more working because of what you have said, what you have done, how you have secretly worked against them? Jesus Christ came to the world to restore the relationship and fellowship between God and man. He did not come to destroy. He came to repair. Say, neighbor, learn to be a repairer and not a destroyer.